What's up, guys? Welcome back to RedBeard Survival and Outdoors. I did do a short yesterday, put it on Facebook, TikTok. Everybody's like, well, what is it? It's going too fast. I don't know if you noticed or not, but it was raining pretty good in that video yesterday. So what I can do is what I'm going to do is I'll go through what we got planted and what else we got going on. Alright, so starting from the front here. Yeah, I got the stuff here from gardening. This is a cabbage. I'm not sure if it's going to do anything. We're going to let it ride. That's a zucchini over there. Then all these down here, squash. This little guy here, hopefully it makes it. But everything in this bed here, besides what's over there, these are all zucchinis and squashes. Now over on that side, that is a elongated cucumber. Can't remember the variety. And then that one there, I tried to bust it up yesterday, but couldn't do it. But those are all cucumbers also. This year, I did put marigold in the center of each of these beds just to get some more protection. I have a sweet basil here. I'm not sure what tomatoes these are. These are actually back from, I guess, 2 years ago. But I do have another basil in the center. Two here, right here, and over here. Those are Romas. The back left is a beefsteak, and those are big boys. I do have a thing of corn going, which I'm not too sure what's going to happen with that because this peach tree is going crazy. So hopefully that thing will grow. I also have, it's going to be hard to see, but if you can see here, I got my string going, which it's really hard to see. Maybe if I zoom in down there, there you go. So what I'm going to do is trellis both of these cucumbers here up, over, and down. That way they're off the ground and hopefully it works. I'm going to do the same thing with the squashes. I'm going to run it from this one here all the way down, and I'm going to put another 2x4 from there up down there and just string it up. Moving over to this garden. Now these are peppers. Those two up front are Lunchbox, another marigold. We got red, green, orange, yellow. That is a tomatillo. And then in the back we have a mammoth jalapeno and a hot jalapeno. I'm not too sure how those are going to go. Then moving down to the other box, got a bunch of strawberries here, which we've already harvested a ton of strawberries. The squirrels keep getting into it, which it's going to happen. Now this section right here, this big open section, that actually has a ton of onions in it. And then in the very back we have the eggplants also, followed by another peach tree, which this year they're loaded with peaches. Last year we had a bunch also, but we had pretty bad storms and they all fell off. Coming over to this side, this is probably going to be going out to the property. This is a Montmorency cherry tree. This is a thornless red raspberry. It's actually starting to come up now. These are sweet potatoes in a 11 or 12 gallon pot. You can get 3 of those in there. These here are potatoes, but here we have another sweet potato. This needs to be planted soon because we're starting to get runners off of it. This is actually a pumpkin, a pie pumpkin. I do them every year. But we have more sweet potatoes. This is a gold raspberry. Moving over to this side, we do have, this is another raspberry bush. We're starting to get little blooms on it. Let me try to zoom in on it. Starting to get little blooms on it now. And then this is a nectarine that we got. Actually got this one from Home Depot. This is a nectarine. Had to replot. I put it in a 5 gallon for now until we can get it out to the property. I want to give this one as much life as possible because the ones we got out there are already starting to look like the leaf. It has leaf burn. Yes, this year I went with starter plants. We had a lot of stuff going on this year. Personal stuff going on. I just couldn't find the time to get my seeds going. So this will be the first time I'm relying on other things to happen, and hopefully it works good. I still have cucumbers I'm going to do in the planters the 12-gallon planters. And I do have cantaloupe also, so we're going to do those. Hopefully everything goes the way we want it to this year. Oh, I got a plum tree over there too. So there is the plum tree. And it's growing like a weed. And then right next to it, right there, is actually sunflowers. I had 5 or 6 of them planted, and the squirrels decided they wanted it. But anyway, as for me, stay at the radio. I'll see you guys on the next one. Out.